Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Sea Ray dealer here. Today we're going to do a quick walk through this gorgeous new 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. This has got the gorgeous Sea Ray white hull with the black boot stripe or Joe coat stripe here. Optional hardtop. Arguably one of Sea Ray's most popular models. Just a perfect day boat for down here in Florida. It's for people that don't care about a cabin but want all the amenities of a bigger cabin boat, but with all the space of an open boat. Twin 300 black Mercury V8s here with joystick piloting, underwater lights. Really nice setup. You have actually a little swim patio that comes down here for getting on and off the boat easy, and you also have a swim ladder in the back that makes it easy to board the boat. This one does have the sea deck, soft deck flooring here on the transom. Feels nice on your feet. Got the optional sun pad here in the back with the reclining backrest. You see a nice electric shore shade that comes out the back that comes out 4 or 5 feet to shade the whole aft area here as well. Nice easy walk through, freshwater shower wash down here. You have the optional boarding step here. This one also has the optional barbecue grill with inverter system, freshwater sink. This is the dune interior, super popular interior. You have the optional table with the teak overlay. It's this beautiful, beautiful arrangement here. Twin 12-inch Simrad units, all digital dash, no gauges here to deal with. DTS shifters from Mercury here. That's digital throttle and shift. Joystick system, obviously, VHF radio, keyless ignitions. Stainless steel windshield cap. Nice easy walk through to the bow. This one has an LED lighting package. Also has a filler cushion that will fill in this spot here to make it one big lounge area. Optional windlass anchor with stainless steel anchor. Turn it around. Even give you a nice armrest on this loungers here. This does have the optional opening canvas section of the sunroof, which is really cool at night. You see the stars. Or to get a little more air through the boat. Nice lockable glove box here. And you have a gorgeous walk-in head with a vacuum flush toilet. That's the same toilet they use in yachts. Uses fresh water, very clean, no smell. Really nice system. And you also have a nice sink in here as well. Double helm seat on both sides here, so 4 people can sit facing forward, which is really nice. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Sea Ray Boats here in beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Give you a quick view of our gorgeous marina here. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.